Boy, have I got one for you today. You guys ain't gonna believe this one. I just had to make a TikTok for it, okay? Because this is crazy. But let me show you what we got going on here first. Alright, this was dropped off with a code running rough idle issue, okay? And I checked it. It had multiple codes in it already, so I just cleared them all. But at the same time, I was out underneath the hood, and I swear I thought I heard a vacuum leak of some sort. So I come back in, clear the codes, and then recheck it and see what's going on. And as you can see, this Intelligent Diagnostics says that the only code that came back was the P0171 fuel trim system lean. It says replace engine intake air duct. Well, I checked that out, see, and there was nothing wrong with it, but I swear that I still heard a vacuum leak. So they got me thinking. I was like, sprayed carb cleaner around the intake, still couldn't find anything obvious, which it is plastic on aluminum. We all know what happens there, especially when it's cold. It can generate a vacuum leak, rough idle. But you ain't going to never believe this, okay? But I just got to show it to you. You can hear it too. All right, now look here. This is me trying to get this cap off, all right? It's all I can do to pull it up. Listen to that. And it just killed it that time. But that right there tells me that this valve cover is bad. The PVC valve is bad in it. So more than likely, they replaced the oxygen sensor or whatever else was going on with it. They just replaced it because maybe that's what somebody else told them. But I'd say the whole issue is probably that valve cover. So that's what we're going to do to this one. Replace that valve cover. Get this one back on the road. Don't forget, like and share. And also have a Facebook page, Auto Fixation. We also have a YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.